Let's review the dispatch functionality. When dispatch is enabled, you'll find a number of changes on the map screen. First, on the Vehicle and Devices panel on the right side, you'll see that each vehicle now shows the driver assigned to the vehicle. Clicking on the name or row of any vehicle expands the panel and shows the current direction and speed traveling. It also centers the map on that vehicle. You'll also find buttons for message and dispatch. These buttons allow you to generate a message or dispatch directly to the selected driver. We will cover this in a minute. With the addition of drivers as part of dispatch, the search bar at the top of the Vehicle and Devices panel allows you to type the name of any driver, and when you search, you'll see the results grouped by drivers. Search still allows you to search for vehicles, geofences, addresses, and more. To the right of the Vehicle and Devices panel, you'll find two new tabs labeled Dispatch and Messaging. These tabs allow you to dispatch jobs and message drivers directly to the mobile app. Let's look at the Dispatch panel. Clicking the Dispatch tab expands the panel and shows you any jobs that you've dispatched to drivers throughout the day. You can dispatch a job to any user of the system, but for best reporting, it's a best practice to dispatch jobs to workers assigned to vehicles. Then you can monitor their activity. As I noted, all dispatched jobs appear in the Dispatch panel. When you dispatch a new job, it appears in the panel along with other jobs that you've dispatched. Clicking on any job expands it, showing you the details of the job. As a job progresses through each dispatch stage, the system shows you the job's current status. The icons in the upper left-hand corner serve as a quick visual reference to the job's current stage. Dispatched jobs move through 4 different stages. These include assigned or sent, the status a job gets when a job is first dispatched; received, which shows when a dispatched job has been viewed; working, a driver moves a job to this status when they are at the worksite and have started working; and completed, a driver marks a job completed when they're done. You'll want to coach your drivers to update job statuses as they conduct their work. This will give you accurate reporting throughout the day. One more item. The dispatch panel only shows active jobs. When jobs are completed, they remain in the dispatch panel for the current day. Each night, completed jobs from the previous day are removed from the dispatch panel. As an administrator, you can update the status of any job at any time. For example, you can mark a job as working if a worker is on the job but has failed to update the status. You also can reassign a job to another worker. Or complete a job. When working with the dispatch panel, you can click the column headers for any column and sort your dispatch view to organize your work in a way that matches your needs. You can sort by job status, driver, or last report. You also can search for any job, driver status, or time using the search bar at the top of the dispatch panel. You can dispatch a new job in 2 ways. First, you can click Dispatch New Job at the top of the dispatch panel, or you can click the name of any vehicle with the driver assigned and click the Dispatch button. When the Dispatch New Job pop-up appears, you'll notice that by using the Dispatch button under the vehicle, my driver is automatically populated, but I can always select any driver to dispatch a job to. Then I provide the address information for the job, the subject, and any notes that I need to send to my driver. When I click Send, the job is automatically dispatched to my driver's mobile app. Let's look at dispatch in the mobile app. When an administrator or limited user logs into the app, they'll see an option for dispatch in the main menu. On the dispatch screen, using the tabs at the top of the screen, you can view all jobs that you have dispatched or view any jobs that have been assigned to you. You can also use the search bar to quickly search for any jobs that you've assigned to drivers. Use the sort bar to sort jobs by the last status update, by driver, or by job status. Click on any job in the list, and it will bring you to a details screen for that job. You can review the status history of the job, see the job details, and as an admin, update the job status. Depending on a job status, you can mark a job received, complete a job, or reassign a job to another driver. You can also cancel jobs. If you click the plus sign in the upper right-hand corner, you can launch a window to dispatch a new job. Once opened, fill out the dispatch information and hit the send button. The job will be added to your list of dispatched jobs. When a driver user logs into the app and goes to dispatch, they can only view jobs that have been assigned to them, and they cannot dispatch jobs to other users.